Hey guys, I'm Kiana with DataTrends Technology. Today I'm going to show you a really useful tool in OneDrive with Office 365. OneDrive has a new feature called Request Files that allows you to send a file request to a teammate or even someone outside of your organization without actually giving them access to the information in that folder. So let's get started. You can access your OneDrive online by going to portal.office.com and clicking on the OneDrive link. When you're there, it's going to look something like this. You have your files folder, and you want to come down and select the folder that you want to be sending the request from. Go up here on the toolbar and click Request Files. You can go ahead and name your file. When you're ready, click Next. Here you have two options. You can either copy the link provided and email it to the person or persons that you're requesting the files from, or you can send it via email by typing in the email address here. So I'm going to send it via email. You can add a message if you want. When you're ready, click Send. Once you've sent it, they're going to get something that looks like this. All they have to do is click Upload Files, and this is going to pop up. To upload the files, we're going to click Select Files, where a File Explorer folder is going to pop up, and you can browse to click the file that you want. When you're ready, click Open. You can always add more than one by clicking Add More Files here. If you're already signed into your Office 365 account, your name's going to auto-populate right here. Otherwise, you're going to have to type that in. When you're ready, hit Upload. Alright, now if we go back into the file, here we go, it's already there. A couple seconds and I've already uploaded something into this file. The cool thing is, nobody besides me can actually see this folder, but anybody I send that link to can upload documents. So this is a great, secure way they can do this. If you're ready to stop allowing the link to have access, you're going to click the ellipsis here, go down to Manage Access, and then next to the link, click the ellipsis. Right here, you're going to delete the link. Hit Delete Link. And now if you go back and try to hit that same link, it's going to pop up with an error that says this folder is no longer available. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you're interested in learning more about DataTrends or want to reach out to us, here's some information. You can follow us on LinkedIn or Facebook, or go ahead and email us at marketing@datatrends.net. Have a great day, everybody.